Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook account restricted issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If Facebook believes a person has posted something objectionable or participated in behavior that violates its community standards, then it may temporarily suspend their account. So, these limitations may prohibit you from seeing specific posts, sharing posts, sending messages, and even adding friends. If you're one of the victims of account restriction for Facebook, then follow the steps. Simply go open up your web browser on your mobile device or your computer and go to your request review page for Facebook. To do that, simply type in Facebook support page and you'll be taken to this page over here. Tap on Help Center Facebook at the very top and you'll end up in the Help Center of Facebook. Simply type in My account is restricted. From the page, select My personal account is disabled at the top. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on this link right here that says use this form to request a review, and you can request a review to Facebook for your problem. Type in your email address or your mobile number that is associated with your restricted Facebook account into the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your full name as listed on your Facebook account. Now, upload your ID by tapping on Choose Files and select one of your identity type from your camera library or your library from your computer, and finally tap on the Send button at the bottom in order to submit the information to Facebook. So now after you do that, wait for a couple of days and you should receive a review from Facebook. That is how you can easily fix if your account is restricted for Facebook, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.